In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glow inner and outer outline in Photopea. Open your web browser and head to Photopea. Once it loads, we'll bring in the image you want to style. Click Open from Computer, then choose your image file. You'll see it appear in the canvas with a background layer in the Layers panel. To keep things non-destructive, let's work on a copy. In the Layers panel, right-click the background layer and choose Duplicate Layer. This creates Layer 1, which we'll apply effects to while keeping the original untouched. Now right-click Layer 1 and select Blending Options to open the Layer Style window. We'll start with an outer glow, which creates that luminous outline around your subject. Click Outer Glow on the left. Choose a glow color that complements your image. Lighter, vibrant colors often pop nicely. Adjust the opacity to control intensity, then use size to push the glow outward for softness, and spread to make the edge more solid. Watch the live preview as you fine-tune. The goal is a glow that frames your subject without overwhelming it. When it looks right, click OK to apply. Next, we'll add an inner glow to give the subject a polished, illuminated edge from the inside. Right-click Layer 1 again and choose Blending Options. Click Inner Glow. Pick a color similar to your outer glow or slightly darker for depth. Increase opacity for visibility, then adjust size to control how far the glow reaches inward. Keep an eye on fine details like hair or edges. Too much size can wash out detail, while a smaller size creates a neat, crisp rim. If your subject has dark edges, a lighter inner glow will help separate it from the background. When you're happy with the look, click OK. To make the effect blend more naturally with your image, we'll change how the entire layer interacts with the layers beneath it. At the top of the Layers panel, open the Blend Mode drop-down that currently says Normal and choose Overlay. Overlay adds contrast and lets the image tones show through while keeping your glows vibrant. This often creates a punchy professional finish that ties the outer and inner glows together. That's it. You've opened your image, duplicated the layer, applied an outer glow, added an inner glow, and set the layer's blend mode to overlay for a clean, glowing outline inside and out. Follow these steps anytime you want a stylized glow that enhances subjects, logos, or text while keeping your edits flexible and easy to adjust.